A US Court of Appeals has ruled that most of the tariffs ordered by President Trump are illegal. The court upheld the substance of an earlier ruling that had been challenged by the Trump administration, and now this ruling on Friday, this dramatic development coming just before the long Labor Day weekend, has the potential at least to derail Trump's pet project. The ruling affects Trump's reciprocal tariffs and tariffs placed on China, Mexico and Canada, but it's not really time for celebration yet among countries that have been hit by tariffs, particularly tariffs that have come later, such as the oil tariffs on India. The appeal court has ruled that its decision holds only for cases on which the lower court, which was the US Court of International Trade, gave a ruling earlier, and it will not cover, therefore, recent tariffs such as the India oil tariff. In the immediate, it would not cover, in fact, any tariffs at all. The court ruled that tariffs continue to be applied and can be applied until at least October the 14th to give the government time to challenge its decision before the Supreme Court. The lower court had, in fact, issued an injunction against the tariffs. So the appeal court ruling to that extent means that at least the tariffs can legally be enforced and collected until the Supreme Court takes a decision one way or another. The Supreme Court, we have to recall, is loaded in favor of Trump. 6 of the 9 judges are known to have conservative leanings, sympathetic usually to Trump's policies. The appeal court itself was divided on its ruling. In its ruling, came with 7 judges in favor and 4 against. The fundamental point, the fundamental reasoning in the ruling by the earlier court upheld by the appeals court was that tariffs are not justified under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, under which they were ordered and enforced. The appeals court upheld that such decisions are for the US Congress to take and not for the President, by bypassing the Congress over such decisions. Trump, predictably, condemned the appeals court decision. He said it will destroy the United States of America were it to stand, but he expressed the confidence that America will win, which is to say that certainly he expects to win finally in the Supreme Court.
Been fighting so long and so hard that they don't know what the they're doing.